Now we'll learn how to draw the isometric view by referring given 2D views. Observe carefully given front view and top view. First trace out its or observe origin O. Then find out its length, height and width. From front view, overall length is a 70 millimeter, height is a 70 millimeter. From top view, dimensions observed is a length 70 and width is a 60 millimeter. So draw horizontal line, mark origin O. By using the protractor, set two angles of a 30 degree from both sides of a vertical lines. Now draw length passing through origin O of a length 70 millimeter. Draw width of a 60 millimeter passing through origin O and towards the left side of a vertical line. So by using the minute after, draw vertical lines parallel to each other of a length 70 millimeter. Then draw this width of a 60 millimeter and draw a line parallel to the length. Thus the box is completed, which helps us to draw isometric view. Now we will start to draw the isometric view. Refer red colored L-shaped geometric shape. Try to read its each and every dimensions, especially in terms of length and height. Now we are drawing this line which is parallel to the length of a 20 millimeter. Then draw this height of 15 millimeter. So draw this line and complete the L-shaped object. Now we have to locate this pink color surface. A pink color surface is located at a 25 millimeter distance from this L color surface. So locate this pink color surface. Set the dimensions. Uh, Here we are trying to draw this yellow color surface which is observed in top view. Read out its or trace out its dimensions in terms of length and width. Setting all these dimensions, complete this isometric view of a yellow color surface. Now to draw this pink color surface, draw this line of 25 millimeter, because the position of this pink color and red color surface are apart 25 millimeter. By drawing vertical line in terms of height, we can easily locate the position of this pink surface. Now to draw the length of this pink surface. Draw this line up to the slot line. Draw this 10 mm line parallel to the line so that we can easily draw this slot. Draw the vertical lines. Locate the corner or edge line of this slot. Drawing parallel lines parallel to the length and width. And draw this vertical line. Give the dimensions. Dimension line should be parallel to these basic three lines, that is the overall length, overall height and overall width. Isometric view is nothing but drawing number of lines which are parallel to the overall length, overall height and overall width. So skillful handling of a mini drafter helps to have accuracy and speed in drawing of isometric views. Maintain the uniformness of number heights. Control line thickness and darkness by skillful handling of a pencil. While drawing the lines, try to little bit turn pencil so that the uniform thickness will be maintained.